Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to work on 4 basic steps to create a bit of a sexy choreography. Today we're going to learn 4 basic steps to dance in a sensual way. So the first step is like this. We start by doing a wave to the right, and when my shoulder goes down, I bring my leg up. One more time. The next movement is the same, but it's double, like this, and like this. You can move the arms as follows. And that's it. That will be the first movement. Let us remember, so wave, I stick my chest out, and when I go down, I bring my leg up. Then on the other side, I lift the leg up and double. I have my left leg forward and my weight is supported by my right leg. Then I'm going to slide my left leg towards my right leg. So I have my left leg forward and my weight is supported by my right leg. Then I'm going to slide my left leg towards my right leg. And then I do it backwards. Likewise, I raise my arms like this, wide, and then drop them close to my body. Now let's do the 2 steps together. The second movement is a little slower. One more time. Now we open the leg with which we closed, that is the left leg. The arms go to the head, the waist, the head, and the waist. The arms go to the head, the waist, the head, and the waist. I will move my arms up and then down like this. Up and down. One more time. Slowly, slowly. Make sure to make the movements defined. I hold my head tight, I hold my waist tight, and big round movements. Now from the beginning, let's do the 3 steps that we've seen. Now let's go to the last step. I'm going to build momentum from here. Pelvis forward, and then I drop down with my legs straight and my back straight. Boom! And I come up with my head like this. Once you're here, move your arms however you want. The important thing is that you feel sexy. So, one more time. Okay, so now we have the 4 steps, so let's do them all together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and... Everybody got problems. Everybody got problems. You just want to solve them. Live it up, I call it. That's right. Oh, I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles. Living for a throttle. You just want a bottle day. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems. Everybody starving. But don't you go off today. Yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to leave us a like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!